I'm sure you turn some banger while showering, and you sometimes turn to an opera single while showering, and yeah, I was no exception. I was literally the same, and my family very well knew that I was the one in shower. But it was until I found this one concept that I found in one book, that water is not only here for drinking and cleaning, but for something else. I don't know if this is some unknown magic for success and entrepreneurship. Not only that, but also to your life and your struggles, problems, and also happiness in life. But it always gets me so many good ideas that shape my business and make money. So many solutions to my problems that make me happier and literally change my life. Or something that is urgent but I forgot. Like, for example, a task from a mom that literally saved me from death, right? You know the after shower feeling? You were feeling horrible, your body was stressed out, now you got into shower and boom, you just overall felt better. In that process, you not only purify your body and skin, but also your mind. You literally clean your mind from all the negatives and you wash off the bullshit that you had in your mind. And moreover, in that moment when you washed out all of the bullshits and negatives and unimportant things from your mind, you get from the flow of the water that goes from the shower head to your head from up, flow of ideas. You can imagine the streams from the shower head as little streams filled with ideas that are hitting your clean and washed off mind. It's called shower thoughts. Maybe you've heard of it. And at the first, when I heard that, I thought like, bro, this is bullshit. Like, how the fuck can water give me ideas and change my life? It's literally just water, right? And now I use water as my Google search for ideas and solutions to my life. But the really important thing here is that you have to use it in the right way. And there are two things that you have to follow if you want to have your shower as something that will literally shape your business, change your life, make your life happier and better, and to remember the urgent things that your parents told you so you save yourself from death, right? The first thing, just turn off the music while showering. Right now you say, no, I listen to songs every time I shower, it's my favorite part of the day, blah blah blah, I like it so much, I vibe, I do this, I sing, I like it. Are you willing to sacrifice those 3 songs if you know you will be given a life of success, new solutions that will change your life and make it a better place, give you ideas that will help you make money, solutions to a relationship, realizing the truth that will improve your mindset, or just something will click and it will change your life? I think now you can say that you can listen to those 3 or 4 songs that you can listen while showering, because shower takes like 10 minutes, right? Later, because there are so many fucking benefits. So the choice is yours. You can sacrifice those 3 songs or sacrifice the life of success, the life of happiness, the life of just being a better place. Now the second thing, you now know that it gives you ideas. So the first time after this video you will go to the shower, you will forcefully like take your mind and, hey bro, give me ideas, I want solutions, I want to change my life. But this is not the right way. You don't want to go into that shower and think hard for ideas and solutions and something that will change your life. You want to use your mind passively, because in your subconsciousness you have this thing that is called automatic success mechanism, and it works only when you're not inhibiting it. Let's say you just have this program in your mind and it doesn't work if you interrupt it or inhibit it by your conscious part, where you forcefully try to make that program work. The program only works when you let the program do its work. So you just go into shower without music and you just shower, you don't think about anything, and suddenly you will see that something will click in your mind, some idea, some solution, something that will make you money, something that will improve your relationship, something that will improve your life and remove your bad habits. It can fucking happen, but you have to be passive and without music. And to don't forget about the ideas that you get, because a lot of times I get idea and I say, yeah, I will remember it, I don't have to write it down right now, blah blah blah. No, you won't fucking remember it. Or you will, maybe, but sometimes you will forget, right? And that one idea could cost you a life of success. You think I'm over exaggerating, but I can get an idea for a video in that shower and I forget that idea for the video, and that video could have had hundreds of thousand views and it could literally change my life and make me a fuck ton of money, right? So every time I go to the shower, I have my phone near me, and every time I get the idea, I just click record a video and I just do some low quality bullshit video of just me saying the idea. Then I will turn it off, and later on I will write down or use it in action, this idea that I got in the shower. But the main important thing here is to just don't forget the idea. And if you don't have the phone around you, I just repetitively say that idea over and over again. So if I get idea about a video on discipline, I will just be in the shower and just saying video on discipline, video on discipline, video on discipline, like just fucking robot. But I just don't want to forget that idea because I know that it could possibly be worth so many fucking dollars. So have more showers or just be more around water. This not only applies to water, to shower, but also the water in general. You can go to the forest and be around stream, around river, or on the beach, or whilst doing the dishes. Yesterday I got an idea for a video and a new type of scenario for our school show that we'll be presenting in front of hundreds of people. Everybody now likes it and everybody follows it, and I'm the leader now. So you can see it. Just be more around water, because the flow of the water gets the flow of ideas. That's it, bro. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this concept. If you found this video helpful, go down, click on the subscribe button, because with this one simple click, you will become a lion in our lion pack. And you can see we are growing, we are giving you value. We are the true fucking lions, not the zebras like your friends and your competition. Here is where you will improve, where you will change your life, and you will not miss any information that you need. And even though I've told you so many tips, I don't know you personally. I don't know your struggles. I don't know the personal problems you have or the personal desires you have. So if you want me to solve the things that you want to have solved, go down and click on the first link. Here's a link for one-on-one free call with me, where we will just go through all of your problems, all of your things, and at the end of the call I will create an actionable plan that will help you achieve or solve what you want to achieve or solve, right? The sooner the better for you. You know it. Don't be a zebra, become a lion. It's early in the morning so I can scream, or I would wake up my parents. Bye, bro.